You Earth people are most unusual, most stimulating.
Nevada 375, which is, as you can see, the Extraterrestrial Highway. And we might be going on it here in a little bit. There it is, extraterrestrial. I'm tired today, I'm tired. Highway on 375, okay. Well, this is Crystal Springs here. It says forbidden information up there. Okay, whatever, but Crystal Springs. And I stopped a bit to read that, per usual. We're on the alien, or the Extraterrestrial Highway here, which is 375. We're going down here. We're going to stop at the alien place or something here. Okay. An abduction in every bottle. So it must be something special. They got Marilyn Monroe there with the aliens. And that's kind of neat. That's always good here. We got in the spaceship up atop there. And you can write on this wall, but no room left to write there, I don't think. So I think I'm going to get a shirt. There's the alien guy up there. Big alien. Alright, let's go. Next stop. I stormed Area 51. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, here it is, the Black Mailbox. Yeah, some signs of wear. Of course, the obligatory bullet holes here that have been, people have shot at it here and repainted over many times, I'm sure. And I guess just to talk to the aliens. You want to send the aliens a message. I guess this is where you leave it here. People have their love locks down there. Isn't that special? So that's it. And this is another, I guess there used to be a plastic mailbox here, but somebody took that or broke it. Usual vandals out in the middle of nowhere. More love locks here, and this side doesn't open, but not much else about it here. It's just the Black Mailbox on the Extraterrestrial Highway. And here it is out here. Look around here. Very quiet. Windy, but we're going to head on down that way. Let's get moving.